Obtaining accurate billing information is crucial to issue the invoices and ensure that you get paid by the clients. However, there are times when you need to make some changes to this information. For example, if the customer's address has changed, or if they forgot to update the email address on file. In cases like these, it is very difficult if you have to edit hundreds of orders. That's why we'll show you how to quickly change the billing information for a lot of WooCommerce orders. We'll do it using the WooCommerce Orders spreadsheet plugin. It's an intuitive spreadsheet that you can use to edit the information you need, just as you would do it using Excel or Google Sheets. You can find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video. Also, you'll find the link to our written guide. The first step to bulk edit your orders is to select the ones that need to be edited. For this, you have at least 3 options. You can edit all the orders, or you can manually select the orders you want to edit. Optionally, you can use our advanced search tool to filter your orders by keyword, products included in the order, the customer who made the order, keywords in order notes, or using any other field as a search parameter. In this example, we'll search for one of our loyal customers who recently moved, to update his billing information. We'll use his billing first name, address, and the dates on which he placed the orders as search parameters. Let's tickle here to enable the advanced filters. Now let's select billing first name, equal, and enter the name here. Then add another filter to select billing address. Select equal, and enter the old billing address. Finally, enter the date range of the orders. Now just run the search to filter all the orders that meet the search criteria. After filtering the orders, you'll be ready to bulk edit their billing information. To edit the billing information, hit the Enable Editing button here. Now go to the billing columns to update the information. Just remember to save the changes once you are done. As you see, you can save a lot of time because you don't have to open and edit the orders individually. Another option to edit all your selected orders is to use the bulk edit tool. You need to select this option to edit the orders in the current search results. Now select the field you want to edit. For example, we can select billing address. Set value. Enter the new address here. And execute to add the new address to all the selected orders. Let's change the billing city to all the selected orders. Open the bulk edit tool. Select the billing city field. Set value. And enter the new billing city here. Finally, execute and the billing city field will be updated for all the selected orders. If you have to update your order's billing state, just open the bulk edit tool. Now select the billing state field. Select set value. And enter the new billing state. Finally, execute to apply this bulk change. In this section, we'll show you how to bulk edit the billing email for all the selected orders. Open the bulk edit tool and select the billing email field. Now select set value. Enter the new billing email. And finally execute. Another option is to edit the first or last name for all the selected orders with the bulk editor. Open the bulk editor. Now you can select either billing first name or billing last name. We'll edit the billing first name in this example. Now select set value. And enter the new billing first name in here. Finally, execute, and all the selected orders will have the same billing first name. Definitely, using the WP Sheet editor to manage your orders is very convenient. You can edit information for hundreds of orders in just a few minutes. Remember that you'll find a link to the written guide, and the link to download the plugin in the description of the video. We have live chat support on our website. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to find more video tutorials.